If you're actively searching for a working Hostinger coupon code, this quick video will show you how to get the best Hostinger deal right now. Hostinger is currently offering discounted pricing on their all plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll get an additional 20% referral discount automatically applied at checkout. In this Hostinger review, what really matters is value and reliability. You get fast loading speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, LiteSpeed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which makes launching a site simple, even if you're a beginner. And if prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner of the page and select your country. The pricing updates instantly. Because of its performance, ease of use, and pricing, Hostinger is often recommended as one of the best web hosting options. So if you want to grab the current Hostinger deal with the extra 20% off, tap the link below or scan the QR code.